This is Pam and Gilbert of Two Bikes for Adventure. It's convenient to run errands with our Bromptons, and one of our favorite chores is shopping for groceries. Of course, with the Brompton, we don't have to worry about leaving it outside. We can either put the folded bike in a shopping cart or wheel it around the store. Carrying our food home is simple too, with a basket that clicks onto the carrier block. Basket bags, being both spacious and affordable, have a great price per volume ratio compared to other Brompton-compatible bags. We're going to compare two basket-style bags, the Brompton Basket, called the Borough Basket Bag, and the new Wotancraft Pioneer Basket Bag. Recently, Brompton partnered with another British institution, Liberty Fabrics, to offer limited editions of colorfully patterned versions of their traditional grey bags. The functionality remains identical, although the grey Borough Basket is made of 1000D Cordura fabric, as opposed to the Liberty, which is a mix of 600D polyester for the patterned fabric and 1000D Cordura on the back of the bag. The grey model is classic, while the Liberty collection is more trendy, as the fabric changes frequently. This particular pattern came out in July 2020, and two other editions have been released since then. The bag is 40 by 30 by 20 centimeters and has a capacity of 23 liters. The structure is designed around a removable standard Brompton carrier frame, compatible with all handlebar types, plus a forward brace. The carry handle mechanism closes the top opening when carried off the bicycle. Side straps that cinch with easy-to-use cam locks provide further security. The basket interior is lined with nylon. Within the main compartment, there is a glove-friendly zippered pocket that can be used to store items like phone, wallet, or sunglasses. A webbing around the perimeter can be used to attach small items, carabiner not supplied. There are no outside pockets. The Pioneer Basket Bag is part of a series released in 2021 in Wotancraft's distinctive vintage style. Its skeleton is the same standard frame and forward brace as the Borough Basket Bag, and it has a similar internal volume as well as a zippered pocket. The Pioneer Basket's side cinch straps are convenient, but a little more fiddly than the Borough's cam lock. It has two large handles to conveniently carry it off the bike, and an optional padded shoulder strap. Where the design diverges significantly from other baskets is its embedded roll-top cover. This cover protects the contents from rain and can also be used to extend the capacity. Side buckles can be adjusted to accommodate the top cover depending on the volume required. A nice touch compared to certain roll-top bags whose buckles are fixed in length. Another major discriminator is the capability to add external accessories like water bottle holders and zippered pockets, which can elevate a simple grocery bag into something more closely resembling a customized touring bag. We'll compare these two bags according to the criteria we used in a previous video. We'll score each feature with 0, half, or 1 point. Both bags offer ample capacity. The Borough's clever shoulder strap compression mechanism somewhat adjusts the volume to the cargo being carried. It is no match, however, to the expandability offered by the Wotancraft integrated roll-top feature. In all cases, however, we have to be careful not to exceed the 10 kilogram front luggage block limit. Both bags weigh about 1 kilogram empty. When installed on the bike, both allow easy access to the contents. However, the Borough's integrated straps slightly restrict the top opening. When carried on the shoulder, the Borough has a tendency to close, which could make access more difficult. The Pioneer's sturdy handles and no-twist shoulder strap are more comfortable than the Borough's. Both provide external attach points. Both include an internal zippered pocket large enough for a mobile phone and wallet. The Pioneer pocket can be accessed from outside the bag when the roll top is used. Its zipper pull is not as glove-friendly as the Borough's. The Pioneer can accommodate a range of compatible external pockets, but at additional cost. Both are treated with a water-resistant coating and do not come with a rain cover. We give half point to the Pioneer for its roll top that can help protect the contents. The polyester used on the Liberty and the 500D Cordura of the Pioneer model are less abrasion resistant than the grey Borough's 1000D Cordura. The Pioneer's integrated cover provides superior protection for the contents, but the bottom of the bag is a single layer of 500D Cordura fabric, while the Borough has an additional nylon lining. The base prices are similar for the grey Borough and the Wotancraft Pioneer, but the Pioneer doesn't include the skeleton frame nor the shoulder strap. Note that the Liberty print Borough basket comes at a higher price than the grey. Full point for the Borough grey. The difference can be alleviated somewhat. Wotancraft accessories are compatible between bags, so we just use the ones we already own. Also, we could use a carrier frame from another Brompton-compatible bag, either an older S frame or a newer frame, to save on the initial purchase and omit the forward brace without compromising functionality. With a multitude of colors available, there's likely one to suit all tastes. We prefer the vintage adventure travel style, particularly the khaki version, but understand the appeal of a more colorful option. We'll call this a draw. In our comparison, each factor is only worth 1 point, but your decision matrix may weigh some features more highly, such as appearance or price. The Borough basket bag is one of the most cost-efficient bags on the market, whereas the Pioneer is pricier depending on options. The Pioneer's modular design allows reuse of various components across multiple scenarios, from local grocery shopping to overseas trips, which can reduce cost per use. While not a touring bag per se, it could easily be used as one if properly accessorized. We hope that running errands is more fun for you when you do it on a folding bike. We wish to thank Wotancraft in Taiwan and our favorite Montreal bike shop, Zoom Les Bicyclettes, for their assistance in the production of this honest evaluation.